Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video today. Guys, this won't be a long one, but there's a couple of products that are actually coming out in the next couple of months, and I thought I'd take some time and show you them. So why don't we go ahead and get this party started? So here are most of the products that I am going to go over today. Now, I don't have all the information because some of this stuff is just so new that they haven't released information, but I do have some information. So let's go ahead and jump in, and we're going to talk about a new blower. So here it is. This is a 1000 CFB leaf blower. Now, I don't know what CFB stands for, I'll be honest with you. I will tell you, I know what CFM stands for, which is cubic feet per minute. So I think that's what they mean, but we'll leave that for now. Now, this is supposed to be a commercial leaf blower. The model number is LBX1000. I'll put that on the screen. Potential MSRP, again, because it's not final, is $299. I don't know if it comes with a battery or anything. But as you can see, they've got a new handle on the top. We don't have other pictures, honestly, for this one. The potential launch date on this one is Q3 to Q4 of this year. So hopefully Q3. But again, a commercial leaf blower and 1000 CFM or CFB. Interesting. Next one is a new snow shovel. A 12-inch snow shovel. Give you some information on this one. So the model is SNS 1201. Now, no pricing's available yet. This is a residential snow shovel. Estimated launch date, again, is going to be Q3 to Q4 of this year. It is 12 inches wide. Eagle claims it'll clear a 3-car driveway with 6 inches of snow with a 2.5 amp hour battery. It's got a brushless motor. Throw distance is up to 25 feet. It's got a 60-degree directional control right on the bottom. It is sold as a kit, so it'll come with a 2.5 amp hour battery, and I think it'll come with a 320 watt charger. I'm not sure on that. Now, the hinge shaft basically allows you to fold this in half, but you do have to unscrew some screws from what I'm seeing. It is weather rated, IPX4, so it's protected against splashes of water. The estimated weight we have so far is 14 pounds without the battery. The auger is a variable speed auger controlled by your trigger. They do have a newly designed ergonomic pistol grip, so this is supposed to be more comfortable. I'll have more pictures in a moment, and the warranty is 5 years. Here are some larger pictures. It's the best we can do for now, all right? But let's go on to our next one, which is a 21-inch single-stage snowblower. Now, they say this has 50% more power than the SNT 2110 if you own that. Model number on this is SNT 2134 as a kit. It'll come with 2 6 amp hour batteries and a dual port charger. No pricing yet. It is also tool only, SNT 2130. This is residential. Estimated launch date is Q3 or Q4 of this year. The clearing width is 21 inches. Clearing height is 13 inches. Brushless motor. Throw distance of up to 45 feet. This does have heated handle grips. It also has a new handle-mounted chute control. I'll show you some close-ups of that. The chute adjustment is the 200-degree directional control. The auger speed is variable. Again, this is a push single-stage snowblower. The auger is 7-inch steel. It's weather-rated IPX4, so it's protected against splashes of water. The weight is 66 pounds without batteries. Again, that's estimated weight. The wheels are 9 inches. This does actually have Bluetooth, so you'll be using the new Ego Connect app and we'll learn more about that. This also has a 5-year tool warranty. Let's take a look at some pictures. So here you go. On the upper left-hand corner, you've got your standard chute directional lever we're used to. But on the upper right, there's now a new pitch control, right? So you can adjust the pitch on the chute. And then on the bottom right, you've got just kind of a little bit different image there. Here's some more images. So again, enlarge the front and the handle. And the next one, I believe, is just going to be the showing you that the handlebar is heated. Next up is a 200-watt solar panel. So you know when they launched the 100-watt, we bought that. We did a review on it. All right, now they have a 200-watt coming out. Now, this is SP2000 is the model number, and the estimated MSRP is $539. This will be out, it should be out this quarter. It should be out Q3, so look out for that. It is monocrystalline cells, so they deliver up to 23% solar energy conversion. It has a USB-A, which is about 12 watts, and a USB-C power direct port, which is 45 watts built onto the panel. So that's kind of nice. Now, the lamination they use is ETFE. That is pretty much the best that I know of. So it's got a really good lamination on the cells. The specs, open circuit voltage is 23 volts. Short circuit current is 12.49 amps. That's important. This is now compatible with the Ego Nexus power stations. So the PST 3040, PST 3041, and PST 3042. But don't forget, you need the Ego solar charger, the CH1800. We'll put links in the description for products that are available. This also includes an MC4 to XT60 cable, which is interesting. 1-year warranty. This weighs 13.9 pounds or 6.6 kilograms. Here are some images of it closed up. One side has a pouch and a kickstand. The other side has a kickstand. This has 4 kickstands if you look at the next image, so that's good. That means it'll keep the panel as straight as possible. So that is the rear shot. And by the way, we did a video on the 100-watt solar panel. This is what the image looks like. We'll put a link in the video description if you want to check that out. We, connected it to the Nexus power station, so that was pretty nice. Next up is the aluminum deck rear side discharge. They just came out with this. I'm going to include a part number and everything. So the part number on that is 313-626-0001. This goes for about $29.99. Search online. You should be able to find 1 or 2 places that are selling this. And by the way, I don't know, but I would call Ego if you bought the aluminum deck mower. I would call them and see if they'll send it to you. You'd be surprised. They might do that. Again, this is compatible with the LM2200 SP, the LM2206 SP, which is the kit. That's what we bought. And the commercial model, the LMX5300 SP. Now, let me show you some pictures, by the way, and I'm going to give someone credit. So here's some pictures here. And then this next picture, I want to give Kevin Main some photo credit. Steve sent this to me. This was in the Ego Facebook chat room. So Kevin Main, thank you. This is what it looks like, and it's supposed to be a much better rear side discharge. Here's the next product, and we just launched a review on this. So this is the 0 degree nozzle. Now, this is model number ANZ3200. It sells for $12.99. We've got links in the video description. It is available now. Keep in mind, it's a stainless steel nozzle. It is for heavy-duty cleaning. By the way, you can hurt someone with this, so be careful. It's for rust removal and paint removal. Do not use it on your car, and be very careful when you use it. And this is the video that we just launched. I'll put a link in the video description. We did testing too, so we didn't just talk about it. We actually did testing. And let me tell you also, we have a couple of videos we wanted to let you know. A lot of new products came out, and we went out and spent the money. So on the left side, you'll see the 3200 PSI pressure washer. We did an unboxing and a close look, and then on the bottom, we did a demo with a Toyota Supra MK4. On the upper right, we got the Ego Wet Dry Vac, and I love that. It's really nice. So we got a review on that. And the bottom, we went out and again bought this mini bike. It cost us over $2,000 because we couldn't find it. We had to find it with the batteries and everything. So that's a detailed review plus setup. All of these links will be in the video description. All right, guys, so short and sweet. And I hope this information is helpful. And if it is, go ahead and take a moment and please give us a thumbs up. We would greatly appreciate it, okay? We're going to put our social media right up top so you could see it. And on the right side, I'm also going to put a video if you want to check out a video. On the left side, you're going to see our round techmadeezy logo. Click on that. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Join the family. And guys, thank you so much. Have a great day.